We're looking like 30 footers, but what is this thing out here? That looks like some big waves. 51 foot waves. 50.2. So we got what looks like a wave weapon coming right from the bunker fuel ship zone. This is right where the bunker fuel ships are right now. This is showing 3 days from now, you're going to have like monster waves. Look at that mass of waves. 58.7 foot waves. 58.4. 58.9, almost 60 foot waves. What the hell are they conjuring up out here? That is a wave weapon. Looks like it's going to dwindle down pretty quick going into the 29th. We're back down to 40 foot waves, but man, what are they doing out here? Thanks everybody out there who helps support us, help keeps this thing going. Not easy trying to go against the mainstream, that's for sure.